Welcome back, everyone. Let's turn now to some market movers this morning. Let's start with JetBlue earnings, ticker symbol JBLU. Shares moving lower by a little more than 6%. This is after the airline company reported earnings for the third quarter, missing estimates on the bottom line while beating out revenue expectations here. A few things to really consider here. The fact that many of the airline operators are still getting back to full capacity compared to 2019. For JetBlue, you've also got this near-term deal and the finalization of that deal that is still very much just hanging in the balance, waiting to be fully done. And investors have had time to realize what that might mean to the balance sheets of JetBlue once that finally goes through. JetBlue in the near term, though, they are still being one of the beneficiaries of this Northeastern Alliance, along with American Airlines, too, which really helped them during the summer travel season. But in the near term, I believe that those fuel prices still being up, I think it was up 87%.
Huge.
Comparable to last year. That's something that American Airlines had also cited in their most recent earnings.
And just like we were talking about, earlier, Brad, between the now emerging different investing stories between a UPS and FedEx, I would argue, I put forth that same thesis on JetBlue. You talked to Delta CEO Ed Bastian, very good quarter. American Airlines, very good quarter. What was United reported too already?
Strong demand.
Strong demand, very good quarter. A little bit of different tone from JetBlue, and it makes you wonder, are they going to get distracted, or have they been distracted, but trying to first solidify the Spirit deal, and now, oh yeah, they're going to have to integrate it at some point if it gets approval.
Yeah, and that integration, when you're thinking about updating an entire airline, everything from painting planes to try and get rid of that ugly yellow color, all the way to making sure that you've just got a different aircraft that maybe doesn't feel like a canister in the sky. All of those things get taken into consideration. So updates of the fleets, also the integration of the teams and the operations. And it's also going to be a consideration around which actual flight gates that you're positioned at, so that you can kind of condense what that operational space looks like at the hubs that you're working in and out of as well.
You're all in on the anti-yellow. No yellow.
100%.
You're in. All right.